If you're in the market for a citrus juicer, check out this one. I'm so excited to receive it. This is a very compact and very powerful tool that every household should have. I've been using this electric citrus juicer for a while now, and I've got to say it is super easy to use and it's surprisingly powerful for its size. I just cut my oranges or lemons in half, press them onto the reamer, and it does all the hard work. I really like the fact that there are no more sore wrists from manual squeezing. The 1.2-liter capacity is perfect for making juice for the whole family, or for prepping a few servings ahead of time. Cleanup is quick and simple since the parts come apart easily, and it doesn't take up much space on the counter. The motor is powerful yet quiet, so I can make juice without waking everyone up. Whether it's orange juice, lemonade, or even fresh grapefruit juice, this juicer handles it all effortlessly. I really appreciate the fact that this juicer has the powerful motor that works smoothly and extracts every last drop from the fruit, while still being surprisingly quiet. Honestly, I think this citrus juicer by LUUKMONDE is totally worth it. It is slick, efficient, and makes me feel like I'm starting the day at a little breakfast cafe right at home. The design overall is compact and looks great on my kitchen counter, but it's also easy to tuck away if you like a clean, minimalist look. Overall, this juicer is a mighty and powerful little tool that I absolutely love having in my kitchen. I really like this product and I highly recommend it. Thank you, Brent, for sending this to me.